Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me, Baseus Gan 3 Pro 65 watts charger, and now I will take a close look at this charger on your eyes, and it will be something like charger review for Baseus Gan 3 Pro charger. So as you can see, here we have the plastic charger. As you can know, here we have the GAN technology. It's not typical technology for the chargers. This technology can help us to have small charger block with really great performance. As you can see here, we have 65 watts charger. Sometimes we can take in our hands Apple block with 30 watts and a little bigger than this block on 65 watts, but Apple blocks on 60 watts is really big. Really big, but this block, as you can see, is very small and compact. So here, as you can see, we have 3 outs. Type C1, Type C2, and normal USB-A, and that's it. So let's connect this charger to the electricity, and let's connect it to the charger. So firstly, I will connect the original Baseus 100 watts cable. This cable supports all certificates without BBK fast charging. Let's connect it to our checker, and firstly we will check all certificates of our charger. As you can see here, we have power delivery 3.0, so this device will charge all iPhones over 8 versions, so newer than iPhone 8 iPhones using power delivery standard. So you can charge this using this charger any new iPhone, and even you can charge MacBooks too, because here you have power delivery and 65 watt MacBook Airs using 30 watts. So you can use this charger to safety charge your MacBook. But MacBooks Pro using 60 watts, so you can charge MacBooks Pro too. Cool. Apple 5 volts and 2.4 amperes. So how we can count the watts? So to count the watts, you just need to make this really easy solving. So 5, 2.4, and as you can see, we have 12 watts. So what is the Apple 12 watts? Apple 12 watts is the old Apple standard for older iPhones than iPhone 8. So iPhone 6, 7, 5. Of course, they will be charged by power delivery, but only using 10 watts. But using faster charge for 12 watts, you need to have this certificate, and this charger has this certificate too. Okay, Samsung fast charger we have 2, Huawei fast charger we have 2, Qualcom 2, 3, 4, even 4 plus, but this charger I have generation 3, so here I have now the Qualcomm Quick Charge 5, and this charger doesn't support any VPK fast charging, as you can see. So it doesn't support VOOC from Vivo, Dash from Oppo, Barb from OnePlus and SuperVOG from Vivo too. So as you can see, without this certificate. So let's check in other settings. So what we can check here, we can check different types of any certificate. Okay, go back. As you can see, by default this charger has 5 volts and normal standard amount, but in this way we will not check anything, so I will open the toolbox and let's check the information about our device. So cable resistance, so maybe not in our case. We are testing other settings now. So what we can check, maybe we need to check the maximum power of our device. To check the maximum power, I need to open this menu, and here, as you can see, we can check the capacity, maybe. Oh no, offline, forget. So how can I check the maximum power of my charger? I think I can do it in the toolbox. Probably the listener, maybe in this way. Nope. Okay. So let's open, for example, quick charge 3.0, and here, as you can see, Qualcom 3.0, Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 can use all 12 volts on this charger, and it's very good. So you can charge Qualcomm 3.0, Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 using the whole performance of this charger. And as you can see here, we have the limit of volts is 12. As you can see, my camera now will focus. As you can see here, we have different types of work of our device, and the most powerful mode is 12 volts, 20 volts and 3 amperes, so it's 60 watts. As you can see, Type-C 1 has output of 45 watts plus 12 watts. Sometimes Type-C 2 5 volts and 3 amperes, so 15 watts. Type-C 1, Type-C 2 plus USB output 45 to 15 watts, 12 volts, 3 amperes, 12 volts, 5 volts, and good. So maybe that's all you need to know about this charger. As you can see, this charger is really great, and we have this charger several years. This charger charging all our devices. We have tests, and it's really great charger. And maybe I think that in the newest versions you can buy 2, because it's just great tool for home or charge your iPhone and MacBook at the same time, for example, or any other Android device if you have now Oppo, Realme or OnePlus, so you can charge your device too. And I think it's a great tool for every day. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.